Hi, this is Richard from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a Mazda 3, stock reference number 5881. This shape ran from the 11th of 2013 to the 2nd of 2019. It has a PY 4-cylinder 2.5 litre petrol engine backed by an auto front wheel drive transmission. Here we have our PY 4-cylinder 2.5 litre petrol engine. Left front guard, no dents. Left front wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand mirror. Left front door, no dents. Left rear door, one dent. Left rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Left hand tail light. Tailgate, no dents. Right hand tail light. Right rear wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Right front door, no dents. Right hand mirror. Right front guard, 2 dents. Right front wheel, factory alloy mag, 18-inch rim, good tyre. Right hand headlight. Right front door trim. Right front master switch. Center console, gear stick. Heat AC controls, touchscreen display. Interior mirror, left hand sun visor, courtesy light, right hand sun visor, tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with audio, cruise and phone buttons.